You are going to love the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.